Hi there, I'm Edwin Palmer. Welcome to my free Swedish pronunciation training. In this lesson, I want to practice our sixth fricative, the sound. I want to practice this sound so that by the end of the lesson, you can name, describe, and say the sound. Before we start practicing, I want to tell you everything you need to know about the Let's start with this. What is a consonant? A consonant is a speech sound which we make by completely or partly stopping the flow of air which we breathe out through the mouth. The sound is a consonant sound. We call it the voiceless retroflex sibilant fricative. This name tells us how we physically want to make this sound. The following 6 things are imperative to know. 1. Its manner of articulation is sibilant fricative, which means we produce it by channeling airflow along a groove in the back of the tongue up to the place of articulation, at which point we focus the sound against the sharp edge of the nearly clenched teeth. This causes high-frequency turbulence. 2. Its place of articulation is retroflex, which means we articulate it by bending the tip of the tongue upward without touching the palate, so it's post-alveolar without being palatalized. 3. Its phonation is voiceless, which means we say it without vibrating our vocal cords. 4. It's an oral consonant, and that means we allow air to escape through the mouth only. 5. It's a central consonant, which means we produce it by directing the airstream along the center of the tongue rather than to the sides. 6. The airstream mechanism is pulmonic, which means we articulate it by pushing air solely with the lungs and diaphragm, as in most sounds. So the sound is voiceless because we don't use our vocal cords to say it. It's retroflex because we say it by curling up the tip of the tongue without letting it touch the palate. And it's a sibilant fricative sound because when we say it, we channel the airflow along a groove in the back of the tongue up to the place of articulation, at which point we focus the sound against the sharp edge of the nearly clenched teeth. This causes high-frequency turbulence. Pause the video and try it. It's time for the exercise. Yes, it's exercise time. Right here I have 20 words. 20 words I'm gonna read out loud. All you have to do is say each word after me, and in doing so, it's very important to keep in mind the difference between the sh sound and the sound. The first pair is kjol, norsk, kjela, fors, tjata, arsenik, käll, arsenal, kilo, bärs, tjattra, borste, kärlek, börs, kyla, Lars. Kisa. Morsta. And the last pair is kök. Ersätta. I'm sure you did a great job, but it's still smart to practice this over and over again. Can you think of a Swedish word which contains the sh sound? If you can, I'd love it if you wrote down that word in the comment section below this video. By now, I'm sure you're able to name, describe, and say the sh sound. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and watch this series from the start. Next Friday, I'll be back with a new video in my series on LGBTQ+ related topics. Till then, I only want to say 3 things. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and bye for now!